Do not start a side hustle until you watch this video all the way through. The biggest problem that I see with most side hustles nowadays is you literally have to sell your kidney before you start making any real money online. Not to mention, you most likely have to learn all these fancy technical skill sets. You got to get all these gadgets around the house. You got to fill your garage with full of inventory and all that. And in reality, that just does not work for most people because most people don't want to do all these things. It's too time consuming, too exhausting, and in reality, most people never end up making any real money because they don't have a proven blueprint to follow that is known to work for people who are brand new. Now, what I actually do is I give away my entire blueprint right here, and this side hustle that I'm using right here is netting me over $100 a day in monthly recurring income. And if you want to see exactly how I create a full-time income online, working as little as 1 hour a day, I give away my entire blueprint for free right here on my YouTube channel. You can check it out by going to the URL on the screen, and all you have to do is just type this in, or you might be able to tap the bottom of the screen as well, and I will show you over the shoulder exactly what I do to create a full-time income online, working as little as 1 hour a day. So all you have to do, go right here right now, and if you have any questions before diving in, I leave my number on these videos so you can easily shoot me a text. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, go right here right now, and I'll show you exactly what to do.